Good afternoon. I'm Bill Culbertson with the Smyrna Fire Department, and it is Sunday, October the 14th, and it is the end of Fire Prevention Week. And at the end of every Fire Prevention Week, we hold our annual open house. And we were a little worried about the weather this morning, but the weather has been in our favor, and we have had an excellent turnout today. We want to take a moment and thank all the firefighters that have come together this morning and helped set up for everything. We want to thank the town council for allowing us to hold our annual open house. But mainly, we want to thank all the visitors and citizens that have come out, and hopefully they have had a chance to learn something about fire prevention, a little education that they can take home with them and practice what they learn here at home. So again, I thank everyone for their time, and I hope everyone has a blessed day at our annual open house.
Hello, I'm James Lawrence, Assistant Chief of Smyrna Fire Department. We're out here at our annual open house. We always end the Fire Prevention Week with our open house, and this year's theme is Look, Listen, and Learn. We try to gather the public to come out here and look at the different equipment we have and educate them. Today we're talking about smoke detectors, we're talking about cooking in the kitchen, and different things that incidents can happen in home. We want them to come out and learn exit plans and learn about the different equipment we have and what we provide services for the town of Smyrna.
Our truck needs